Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Givebutter. In order to do so, here we are at givebutter.com, and let's just go ahead and start here by taking a look at the homepage. What is Givebutter all about? It's your home for changing the world, streamline non-profit fundraising, marketing, and donor management in one powerful platform, rated #1 for ease of use. So you can collect more donations, grow your community, host your best event ever, get the insights you need, trusted by millions of change makers at nonprofits like yours. Easy, free features you and your donors will love. Say goodbye to clunky, expensive software. Givebutter equips nonprofits with modern fundraising tools, from donation forms that convert 47% of potential donors, 4 times the industry average, to events, auctions, and pages that delight donors and inspire action. Track every transaction and donor activity, create and share reports with ease, and enjoy the extra time you'll have to focus on growing relationships with people who move your mission forward. Personalized marketing and engagement at scale. One-off generic communication doesn't move your supporters or your goal bar. Send the right message to the right donors at the right moment via email, text, or direct mail without sacrificing your time or your brand. Unlock even more possibilities with Givebutter Plus. Givebutter Plus offers game-changing automation, analytics, and advanced marketing tools to supercharge your productivity, drive deeper insights, and strengthen donor engagement. Let's go ahead and click on learn more about Givebutter Plus. So we do have a free trial, so we'll take a look at that here in a moment, but let's go ahead and see what the pricing is all about. And here, all the tools you need, none of the cost, sign up for free. Givebutter Plus, here we go, $29 a month, billed $348 annually. If you want the monthly price, then you're looking at $33.80. So that'll give you an idea of what you can expect with Givebutter. So, you know, there's a cost factor there. So if your purpose here is to make money, just be aware that you are looking at the price there, the free trial. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now. Raise funds better, faster, and for free. Create your account and access all 130 fundraising features completely free. So we can sign up here, get started for free, or sign in. Okay. So let's go ahead and sign up here, and we'll add our information. We'll just move on from there. Okay, well, in this case, because we're not actually a nonprofit, then we're not going to be able to proceed from there. So you do actually have to be a nonprofit in order to use Givebutter. So just bear that in mind if you are interested in taking advantage of it. It's good for fundraising, donor management, nonprofit auctions, nonprofit CRMs. But if you do intend to use it for another reason, then you might want to consider a different platform. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it.